Do you know what happens if you fall into a black hole? Or why time slows down near one, like in a sci-fi movie? These aren't theories. These are real. Today, I'm going to show you 14 insane facts about black holes, each one more mind-bending than the last. Let's dive in. Imagine watching someone fall into a black hole and they never hit the bottom. As someone gets closer to a black hole, time slows down, but not just a little. From the perspective of a distant observer, that person would appear to slow and then freeze at the edge of the black hole, the event horizon. This is because black holes warp spacetime so much that time nearly stops. It's a concept from Einstein's theory of general relativity. To the falling person, time feels normal. But to us watching, they are frozen in place, forever suspended at the edge of the void. Black holes don't just trap light, they trap time itself. Ever heard of cosmic spaghetti? That's you, falling into a black hole. It sounds silly, but it's terrifyingly real. Fall into a black hole and you're stretched thin, like spaghetti. This process is called spaghettification. Gravity at your feet is way stronger than at your head, causing an extreme stretch in one direction and compression in the other. This isn't just deadly, it's physics. Even stars get torn apart like this. Your body wouldn't stand a chance. If you fall into a black hole, you won't explode, you'll stretch until you disappear. Think black holes are small. Some are big enough to eat galaxies. There are black holes out there that are billions of times more massive than the Sun. These monsters are called supermassive black holes, and they sit at the center of most galaxies, including ours. The biggest one we've found so far is TON 618, and it's so massive, it could fit our entire solar system inside its event horizon. That's right, sun, planets, everything. Gone. Scientists believe these beasts play a key role in shaping galaxies and cosmic structures. When it comes to black holes, massive doesn't even begin to describe it. What happens when two black holes crash into each other? You get a cosmic explosion that shakes space itself. Black holes aren't just lurking silently, they can collide. And when they do, the impact releases energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the very fabric of space and time. These waves travel across the universe, and we actually detected them for the first time in 2015 with LIGO. It confirmed Einstein's theory from 100 years ago. The black holes merge into a new, even larger black hole, and the energy released is more than the mass of 3 suns, gone in an instant as pure wave energy. When black holes merge, the universe doesn't just feel it, it ripples. Believe it or not, you can get terrifyingly close to a black hole and still survive. It sounds like suicide, but technically, you can orbit a black hole if you keep your distance. Black holes have something called a safe zone, just like a regular planet. There's a point far enough out where gravity is strong but not deadly. Stay outside the event horizon, and you're fine. In fact, scientists believe stars have been orbiting black holes for millions of years. You could even orbit one in a spaceship, but get too close, and there's no turning back. Black holes aren't cosmic vacuums, they're only dangerous if you cross the line. What if I told you black holes don't last forever? Most people think black holes are eternal, but Stephen Hawking proved they are not. Through a process called Hawking radiation, black holes slowly lose mass by emitting tiny amounts of radiation over billions, even trillions, of years. Eventually, they shrink and vanish completely in a final burst of energy. This changed everything we thought we knew about black holes. Even the most powerful object in the universe can die. Even black holes can fade away, it just takes longer than the age of the universe. Did you know there's a monster black hole sitting right in the middle of the Milky Way? At the heart of our galaxy lies Sagittarius A*, a supermassive black hole with over 4 million times the mass of our Sun. It holds our entire galaxy together with its immense gravity. We can't see it directly, but we've tracked stars slingshotting around it at incredible speeds, proving it's there. In 2022, We even got the first image of it using a planet-sized telescope network called the Event Horizon Telescope. Our galaxy is not drifting through space, it's spinning around a black hole. What if I told you could time travel? By getting close to a black hole. Einstein's theory of general relativity tells us that gravity affects time. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. And nothing has stronger gravity than a black hole. If you were near the edge of a black hole, the event horizon, time for you would move way slower than for someone far away. Spend a few hours near one. And when you return, years might have passed for everyone else. Black holes don't just bend space, they bend time. Black holes don't just sit there, they can spin faster than anything in the universe. Black holes often rotate, and some of them spin at near the speed of light. This rotation twists spacetime around them in a process called frame dragging, literally dragging reality along with it. If you fell into a spinning black hole, called a Kerr black hole, you might not even hit the singularity right away. There are theories that say you could pass through it, into another universe. A spinning black hole is like a cosmic blender, twisting space, time, and physics itself. What if black holes aren't ends, but doors? Some scientists believe black holes could be wormholes, shortcuts through space and time. This isn't just sci-fi, it's based on real equations in Einstein's field theory. A rotating black hole might not crush everything, instead, it could funnel matter to a distant point in space, or even another universe. We haven't confirmed this yet, but mathematically, it's possible. Black holes might not destroy you, they might send you somewhere else. Did you know that black holes, the most destructive forces in the universe, are also responsible for creating life? At the center of nearly every galaxy, including our own Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole. But instead of just destroying everything, these monsters control star formation, regulate galactic weather, and power quasars, the brightest objects in the universe. As matter spirals in, it heats up and releases intense radiation and jets that stretch across thousands of light years. These jets trigger or suppress the birth of stars depending on how powerful they are. Without black holes, galaxies might not evolve, and life as we know it might never exist. So yes, black holes create as much as they destroy. They might even be the reason we're here. There's a reason it's called a black hole, even light can't get away. Black holes have an event horizon, the point of no return. Once something crosses that invisible boundary, the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. And since nothing in the universe can travel faster than light, not even light itself, it gets trapped forever. That's why we can't see what's inside, it's literally invisible, only detectable by how it affects things around it. A black hole doesn't shine, it swallows light whole. Imagine a black hole flying through space at 5 million kilometers per hour, like a cosmic cannonball. Black holes aren't always stuck in one spot. Some are literally roaming through space. Scientists have discovered rogue black holes, kicked out of their galaxies due to massive gravitational events like galaxy collisions or black hole mergers. One black hole in particular, discovered by Hubble, is traveling so fast it could go from Earth to the Moon in less than a minute. These rogue black holes are invisible, silent, and deadly, and they are drifting through the universe right now, possibly even through our own galaxy. So while you're watching the stars, a black hole might be speeding silently past us, right now. What if I told you, our entire universe might be inside a black hole? Some theoretical physicists propose that our universe could be the interior of a black hole that exists in another universe. The idea is wild, but the math checks out. From the outside, a black hole looks like a one-way trap. But from the inside, it might feel like an expanding universe, just like ours. It's a radical theory that blurs the line between cosmology and science fiction. If this is true, then the universe isn't everything, it's just one black hole in a much bigger reality. Black holes are more than just cosmic vacuum cleaners, they are time warpers, light eaters, and maybe even gateways to other worlds. The more we learn, the stranger they become. And this is just the beginning. If your mind was blown, Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insane science facts. From black holes to alien worlds, we're just getting started. Thanks for watching.